In implementation of cyclic code, there is a implementation circuit is there, right? In part 1 we observe the diagram, and we have going to see the operation, circuit operation. Switch S is at the position given the data bit to C output, right? At the same time, for k clock pulses, the control Z is enabled. Z is equals to 1 to feedback the common context to the registers to produce C1, C2 up to CR bits at the end of the last clock, right? Switch S is the position 2, the Z disabled to get these R parity bits to C, and at the same time R zeros will be fed back to the register to initialize the register to the next data clock block. Previous encoding procedure for systematic cyclic code can be done faster without polynomial representation if instead of g of x is converted into binary form called the divisor of the cyclic code. Here is the example. Okay, example, using g of x is equals to g cube plus g x square, x cube plus x square plus 1. Find the output code word for D. Using g of x, x cube plus x square plus 1, find the output code word for D 0011 and D 0010. Right? Here, first you have to convert the polynomial into binary form. Then add R zeros as LSB to data A1, A2 up to AK to get A1, A2, AK 000. For D of 0011 will be have 0011000, then divide it by G. Clear? Then what we get? 0011000 is divided by using 1101. We get 1. Remainder is 010. R is the parity. Then C is equals to 0011010. For D 0010 is there. The output should be C 0010111. How? Using the encoder logic circuit to find the output code word for systematic cyclic code with g of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus 1, and for D is equals to 0101 0010 is there, right? Then observe the diagram. What is here? Flip-flop is there, right? Solution is, first we write the transition equation for C1, C2, C3. We write the next state of them in terms of the present state and the input. This is done when Z is equals to 1. Then C3 raised to n plus 1 is equals to C1 n raised to n plus AI. C2 n plus 1 is equals to C3 raised to n. And C1 n plus 1 is equals to C2 n raised to n plus C1 n plus AI is equals to C2 n plus C3 n plus 1. For D0101, what is the C? For 3 input 000, 000, 101, 111, 1011, 001. How it calculated? C1, C2, C3 is 110 and C is 0101 For D 0010, what happened? 000, 000, then 101 111 011 001 000 is there. Clear? Then C1, C2, C3 is 111 and C is 0010 is there. Decoding of systematic code, cyclic code. At the receiver, R is equal to C plus E, where E is the error word or R of x is equals to C of x plus E of x. Ex is the error polynomial. Now if we divide both above equation by g of x taking the remainder. Remainder is R of x upon g of x is equals to remainder of C of x into upon g of x plus remainder of E of x upon g of x is there. And since remember remainder C of x upon g of x is equals to 0 as shown before, then remainder R of x upon g of x is equals to remainder of E of x upon g of x is equals to S of x is there. Right? Syndrome polynomial of order t minus 1. Right? If S of x is equals to 0, then no error occurred. If S of x is equals to non-zero value, then error occurs. Okay? To find the location of these errors, the receiver may prepare a syndrome table, store in its memory, use it to find E and S starting with less number of errors. Clear? Example is there. Same example. Prepare the syndrome table for 7 4 systematic cyclic code with g of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus 1. And for single error, check the syndrome when double error at first and last position occurs. Okay? Here each yes is found from E by long division by g of x. Clear? For example, if E is 0 1 5 times 0, error at second position from the left, then 1 1 0 1. Division perform. Note that no repeated yes for all possible single errors. This is expected since W minimum is equals to 3, right? And the given 7 4 code is a single error correction. Note also for double error E for 5 times 0 1 1, then S is equals to 0 1 1, which is single error at the second position from the left. Thereby these errors cannot be corrected. Clear? Now going back to the example for double error E. 1 5 times 0 1. Again perform division. S is triple 1 is there, which is the same yes as if single error occur at third position from the left. Next example is using previous syndrome table, find the corrected word for the received word 1010011. Solution. First the receiver will find S from the remainder of R of x upon G of x, right? Then same. Division is performed. S is 1010. Using syndrome table, and for this syndrome E 00000010, then the corrected code word is C is equals to R plus E. Our R is 1010011, then E is 00000010. Addition, after doing the addition we get the C 1010001, right? Then implementation of cyclic code, how it is? The long division of R by G to obtain the remainder is implemented is using logic circuits as shown in the generator G of x. The control Z is enabled for N clock pulse and then disabled for R clock pulses. Right? Again next example. Use the decoder circuit to find the syndrome and the corrected word for the received word. R is equals to 10111010. If g of x is x cube plus x square plus 1. For solution, you have to draw the implementation circuit using D flip-flop. First, we write the transition equation for S1, S2, S3. When Z is equals to 1, then S3n plus 1 is equals to S1n plus Ri. S2n raised to n plus 1 is equals to X3n. S1n plus 1, S2n plus S1n. Right? Then S1, S2, S3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 is there. And R is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then S is equals to 1, 1, 0 using the syndrome table. Then E is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The corrected code word is R plus E. We get 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Clear? What these are the different examples solved by us on syndrome decoding. Here in PPT, non-systematic cyclic code for encoding procedure. Right? See here, to encode an n minus k non-systematic cyclic code. Theorem is cyclic code polynomial C of x can be generated using data polynomial D of x of degree k minus 1 and the generator polynomial g of x of degree n minus k as c of x is equals to d of x into g of x, where g of x is n minus kth order factor x raised to n plus 1 is there. Right? Here, non-systematic. In previous section or before this, we learn the systematic cyclic code. Now turn is to study non-systematic. Right? Here, find generator polynomial g of x for a code 7,4 cyclic code and find code word following the data word. Right? Now here, solution given is n is equals to 7, k is equals to 4. The degree of polynomial should be a degree n minus k is equals to 3. The generator polynomial should be factor of x raised to 7 plus 1. X raised to 7, then 1 to x raised to 6 is there. Then 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4 plus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 6 into x plus 1 is there. Perform this. What happen? When I multiply x plus 1 into x raised to 6. Solve this. After solving this, we get the value x plus 1, x cube plus x square plus 1 in another bracket x cube plus x plus 1. We have two polynomials of order 3, one of which can be selected as a generator polynomial. I select x cube plus x square plus 1. Now a code is generated using c of x is equals to d of x into g of x. Then our d of x is equals to x cube plus x square. Then multiply d of x and g of x. Our g of x is x cube plus x square plus 1. X cube into x cube, x raised to 6. When we multiply raised to power is get added, then x square plus x cube, x raised to 5 plus x raised to cube plus x 1 is x cube. Again for plus x raised to cube plus x raised to square, x raised to 5 plus x square, x raised to 4 plus x square into 1, x square is there. After solving this, we get the x cube, x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square. Right? The value which are present in the power, which is a 1, not present, it is 0. This x raised to 6, then 1 into x raised to 6. X raised to 5 is absent, then x 0 into x raised to 5 means its term is 0. Plus 4 is present, then 1 into x raised to 4 plus 1 into x raised to cube plus 1 into x raised to square. 1 power is absent, then 0 into x plus 0. Then our C code word is 1011100, right? Got the concept? Systematic cyclic code encoding procedure. To encode an NK cyclic code, first multiply the message polynomial d of x by x raised to n minus k. Then divide x raised to n minus k into dx by the generator polynomial g of x to obtain the remainder polynomial p of x. Then add p of x into x raised to n minus k d of x to obtain the code polynomial. Clear? Then systematic cyclic code. One of example is there. Construct a systematic 7 and 4 cyclic code using generator polynomial g of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus 1 for the message. Okay, first message is 1010 and second one is 1000. Then solution. Our given g of x is x cube plus x square plus 1. N is equals to 7 and k is equals to 4. This is the given data for us. Then d of x is equals to x cube plus x, right? Then perform. First multiply it, x raised to n minus k into dx. Then x raised to n minus k is 4 minus 3, 4 minus 7 minus 4, 3 is there. Then x cube into x cube plus 3. What we get? X raised to 4 plus x raised to 4. 6 plus x raised to 4. Then perform division between them. We have to divide, right, between x raised to n minus k into dx with the generator polynomial. Our generator polynomial is x cube plus x square plus 1. Divide by n minus k into dx. Then x6 plus x4. Here is the x cube, here is the x raised to 6. Then x cube is required. Then x cube plus x square. Clear? After solving these or divide performance, we got the p of x is 1. Then cyclic code Cx is equals to x raised to n minus k d of x plus p of x. Then n 7 minus 4 is x cube into x cube plus 1 is there. Perform multiplication between these two, x cube and x cube plus x. Then we get x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4 plus 1. Then for 6 it is 1. Fifth term is absent, then 0. Fourth term present is 1. Third term is absent. Second term is absent. First term also is absent, then 000 and last one is 1. Clear? Got the concept how we have to calculate the value here. Cyclic code example is there. 7 for Hamming code. For message sequence 10001. The message polynomial m of x 1 plus x cube. Right? Then multiply by x raised to n minus k into x cube gives x cube plus x raised to 6. Divide by the generator polynomial g of x Then is a factor of x raised to n plus 1 for the 7 and 4. Hamming code is divided by its generator polynomial g of x that are factors of x raised to 7 plus 1. With n is equals to 7, we can factorize x raised to 7 plus 1 into 3 irreducible polynomials. X raised to 7 plus 1 is equals to 1 plus x, 1 plus x square plus x cube into 1 plus x cube, right? For example, we choose the generator polynomial 1 plus x cube and perform the division. We get the remainder p of x is equals to as x square plus x. Okay, then third step is add p of x to obtain the code polynomial c of x. Clear? Then c of x is equals to x raised to 1 plus x raised to 2 plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 6. Which are the terms absent is denoted by zeros. Then so the code word for message sequence 100 is 01110001 is there. Clear? What we study in cyclic code today? Definition. Okay. After that, implementation of cyclic code. Different formulas. Okay. Systematic and non-systematic codes. In that we study systematic encoding and non-systematic cyclic code for encoding and systematic code for decoding. Their examples we have seen how to calculate, okay, how to divide the polynomials and all. These are the procedures. You have to learn these steps and practice the problem. In tomorrow's section, I will continue this topic, cyclic code. Okay, remaining part is continue by tomorrow itself. Cyclic decoding, from cyclic decoding. Okay, thank you for today's lecture. Observe neatly all each and every concept. Okay.